Welcome back to another Taye and Taye YouTube channel. I'm about to ask my wife an uncomfortable question. I want to get a threesome and I want her reaction. So guys, stay tuned and let's see what happens.
Just one of them days.
Hey babe.
And I gotta be. That was a good behind workout.
Yeah, it was. It was a serious workout. But you know what buzzing me?
What?
The question me they ask you what you you get back to me from the one.
What you asked me?
Like a threesome.
A threesome? When did you ask me about a threesome?
And I asked you that about 3 weeks ago, babe.
I must have caught amnesia on that one because I don't remember.
What do you mean?
I don't remember us talking about no threesome.
Yeah, man. So we talk about it to me. I'll find out the girl.
You found a girl?
Yeah.
Why the hell would you find somebody?
Because we talk about it and you agree. So I say, alright, then I start seeking and see if I can find somebody. I find somebody.
I never told you I was having no threesome with you. No. I never told you that. I don't know who you get me confused with, because I ain't not tell you about no threesome.
Yeah, we talk about it and I can't believe say it slip your mind again. And me go check. You make me go find one woman, you know.
Why would you go and find somebody? And
because a threesome require a threesome somebody, so that's time you have to find somebody.
But I never told you I was having no threesome. I don't remember this conversation. I do not remember us having no conversation like this.
So
not you putting words in my mouth.
So all of this make up in my head?
Yeah, must be.
No.
You must be going delusional
all
or something.
Make up in my head, babe.
Obviously, you going delusional. Because when did I talk to you about a threesome? When did you even ask me about a threesome?
Baby, just tell you 2 weeks ago.
I never gave you an answer.
2 weeks ago we talked about it.
Neither did I.
What you mean? What you mean?
I never gave you an answer. Neither did I talk to you about no threesome.
You know, me going to start recording when we have conversation.
What you recording me for?
Because every time it come back to you and talk about something, you say, oh, not me.
And then you got the nerve to find somebody.
What do you mean? Then that required, man?
How you gonna find somebody to have a threesome and I never even talked to you about no threesome? You delusional. Yeah, I need to take you to the doctor so you can go get yourself checked out.
Oh, take me to which doctor?
I need to
talk about it, make me go find somebody who I talk about.
I need to take you to the doctor so you can get your brain checked out, because your brain cells is not connecting. It's not connecting.
Oh, not connecting. So me I tell lie on you then, that's what I say.
Yeah, you telling a big lie on me. You was capping big time.
Oh. So all of this me make up in my head, babe?
Yeah, all of this you made up in your head. Because something with your brain is just not connecting. It's not connected to the brain.
Me sit down with you in the house. Me tell you, say, babe, you know, say, first and foremost, the conversation with you said to me, say, hey, babe, why your fantasy? I say, babe, me have a few, you know. You feel me? And you said, name them out. I say, babe, them took me a ticklish conversation for me all with all my woman when we live with, you know. You feel me? Because, again, fantasy is something you normally act out. You understand? And you say, give me 2. Zine, I say, babe, I want to have sex on the rooftop when we're in a fall. Right? And then the next one, I say, babe, I would love to have a threesome. And you don't remember none of them conversation?
I don't remember me asking you about no fantasies and all of that. And especially no threesome. Now the rooftop, I can click with that one because, you know, I probably like to do stuff like that. But not no threesome. So you mean to tell me I have to watch my man have sex with somebody else? Yeah, that's what we are talking about. Oh, this man. But whether I'm in it or not, I still gotta watch my man have sex with somebody. You must be gonna you must be gonna get me drunk or something.
Hey, you're going to eat, so we are talking about your part of it.
You must be gonna get me drunk. Cause ain't no way I'm doing this sober.
Whatever work for you.
Ain't no way I'm doing this sober.
This time not for you then after my fantasy, no?
I'm still a part of it.
So I know what you're talking about.
But I'm still a part of it.
Yeah, but I feel me fantasy, so if you want to get drunk or sober, up to you, as long as you play a part, which you don't say you play a part, that's why I don't find the people them, and now you go back out.
So who it is?
Sure.
Who you gonna win? Who found? And who the winning found? Who's this girl?
One girl.
So can I invite a man in it too?
That I wouldn't be threesome.
A quadruple.
I never that. You never have that.
So if I give you your fantasy,
you never have that for your fantasy.
So if I give you your fantasy, are you gonna give me one back?
I don't know why yours. We never talk about that yet. We never have a discussion about yours.
What been that we bring it up or you bring it up? How about I give you yours and then you can give me mine?
Well, it depends on what for you.
A threesome with a guy.
Okay. That's it. Then the same thing just like for me, so what the difference? I go like I did something new year did I come in with. Oh, this one.
So you want to have a threesome? You agree to have a threesome with me with the dude?
Me not gonna be a part of the threesome. That
what you mean you're not gonna be a part of it? So that's not a threesome then? Me, the dude.
Babe, you know what me I try to figure out?
What?
Oh, yeah, make this about, you know.
Because if I'm gonna give you what you want,
make this about you. Oh, yeah, make this about you. This never have nothing to do with you.
If I'm gonna give you what you want, you gotta give me what I want.
Sure.
And then you don't went and found the girl. The brightness in you. Oh my God.
What brightness in me when me hold the conversation?
The brightness in you. You went and found a whole female. Where does female come from? I know her.
No, you have to know the people them. Or you gonna know somebody. The conversation is we don't know the person.
So you don't know the person.
Me don't know him, you don't know him. It's total stranger we are use.
So where you met this girl at?
Down the road.
So you just going up picking up random bitches to go?
Again, me never go pick up my random party. Me see the person look nice, me go and me approach and me ask her question.
And she agreed, even though she didn't know you.
Then I guess I did it on fear of mine too.
You must have been knew her, cause ain't no way you just gonna go, I just approached the girl ass. You just approaching just people just asking they want a threesome. Okay, you know what? I will give you your threesome.
Just like how you see somebody and you approach them and you say, hey, what's your name? Do you have a boyfriend? And they say no. And you say, hey, can I get to know you? What the difference? They see him approach, but you go like a 10 different approach you approach. You think approach hard?
Look, we only doing it one time, and after that we gonna do the one that I want to do. Period. Point blank.
What you want to do?
What I just told you.
What?
Oh, you got amnesia now, huh? You got amnesia.
So, you want threesome after all of a sudden me want threesome?
Cause I want what you want. Your fantasy is my fantasy.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's gonna be mine today.
No, it's not.
It's mine today.